This is my Cult bike check. Start off in the front. Have Cult Vans grips, Odyssey par ends, S&M P10s, Subrosa Forever top load stem, Cult integrated headset, Shadow Voltus forks, Shadow Raptor front hub, Shadow spokes, G-Sport birdcage, Demolition Momentum 235, Shadow Little Ones peg, G-Sport bland front hub guard, and the Cult Deathrow V2 frame, 21 1/4. I wrought it and had it clear coated or powder coated clear. Cult integrated C-post clamp, Cult pivotal post, Fiend pivotal seat, Cult half link chain, Cult member 32 sprocket, Animal cranks, Odyssey JCPC pedals, Shadow Corvus bottom bracket, another 235, G-Sport roll cage, Shadow BTR hub, left hand drive, another Little Ones, and a BTR hub guard. So yeah, that's my bike check.